Hello, welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is crispy beef with ginger and garlic. As normal, the full list of ingredients is down below. First we prepare the beef. Crack an egg in a large bowl, briefly whisk, add the salt and pepper, add the beef and massage in, making sure the beef is well coated in the egg. Next, put the cornflour in a clean bowl. Then if you're conscientious, one piece at a time, dust the beef. If you have no patience like me, just throw a handful in and stir them round. Next we take the floured beef, shallow fry them for 3 or 4 minutes until they're crispy and brown. Then remove from the pan and put them to one side. Then in a clean frying pan, add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil or similar and the sesame oil, heat up and then fry the garlic and ginger until fragrant. Then we add the carrots and spring onions. Reserve some of the spring onions for a bit of garnish at the end. Fry these off for a minute and then add the rice wine. Continue to cook till the rice wine evaporates, and add the soy sauce, vinegar and honey. Continue to cook on a medium to high heat until the sauce thickens. Then add the beef back to the pan, thoroughly mix through the mixture. Continue to cook until the beef is heated through, then simply serve. Hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and we'll see you next time round. Bye for now.